Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Learn with the Learner. So today we are going to solve questions in properties of triangle. So the first question is, if A equals to 13, B equals to 14 and C equals to 15, then show that capital R equals to 65 by 8 circumradius, small r equals to 4 in radius, R1 equals to 21 by 2, R2 equals to 12 and R3 equals to 14. Okay, the given values are A equals to 13, B equals to 14 and C equals to 15, right? Now we are asked to prove R equals to 65 by 8. So where do we get R? In the formula of area of triangle, right? ABC by 4R. So from this what can we write? R as ABC by 4 delta, right? Now what is the formula of delta? Under root of S into S minus A into S into S minus B into S minus C, right? Now we have to find S again. So S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Now what is A? 13 plus what is B? 14 and what is C? 15 by 2. 13 plus 14 27, 27 plus 15 42 by 2. So S equals to 21. We got the value of S. Now we have to substitute the value of S in area of the triangle. So delta equals to 21 into 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15. So now 21 into, here 21 minus 13, 8, here 7 and 6. So to make this simple, let's write 21 as 7 into 3, 8 as 4 into 2 into 7 and 6 as 3 into 2. So we can write it as 7 square, 3 square, 4 as 2 square and 2 into 2, 2 square, right? Now we can cancel square to the roots, like we can write it as 7 into 3 into 2 into 2 whole square. Okay, now this square and root can be cancelled. Now 7 into 3, 21, 21 into 4, 84, right? Okay, now delta is 84. So what we have to prove? R. Now R equals to ABC by 4 delta. So what is A? 13, B is 14 and C is 15, right? 4 into 84. So 14 ones are 14 six are. Now 2's, in 3 table we are cancelling this, 2's 5's. So 65 by 8 R. We got the value of R. Okay, now we have to show R, small r equals to 4. Okay, small r, what is the formula of small r? Delta by S, right? 84 by what is S equals to 21, it is 4's. So we got R equals to 4. R equals to 4. Now we have to prove R1 equals to 21 by 2. R1 equals to 21 by, sorry, what is the formula of R1? Delta by S minus A. What is delta? What is delta? 84 by what is S? S is 21 minus what is A? 13. So 84 and here it is 7, right? Now 7, is it 7? No, it's 8. It's 8. So 21's in 4 table 2. In 4 table 4 2's are 4 21's are. So R1 equals to 21 by 2 and we got R1 equals to 21 by 2. Now R2 equals to delta by S minus B. Delta is 84, S is 21 and what is B? B is 14. Okay, 84, 21 minus 14, 7 and can it be cancelled? 7 ones, 7 ones, 2's. Okay, 12. R2 equals to 12. Now R3. Delta by S minus B. Now what is delta? 84. S is 21. What is, S minus C. What is C? 15. Now 84, 6 can be cancelled in any table. Let's see it in 6 table itself. 6, 14. Yeah, R3 equals to 14. R2 equals to 12. Hence, we put all the values. So the next question is, if delta ABC in triangle ABC, if R1 equals to 8, R2 equals to 12, R3 equals to 24, then find ABC. Okay, the given values are R1 equals to 8, R2 equals to 12 and R3 equals to 24, right? Now, we know a property that 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 equals to 1 by R. This is the formula. So, try to remember this. And now 1 by 8 plus, this can also be proved, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. By the formula of R1 delta by S minus A, delta by S minus B, by those formulas we can prove this relation. Okay. Now, 1 by R. Okay, taking LCM of all this. So, what is the LCM of all this? 4s, 2s, 3s, 6. 2s, 1, 3, 2. 3 and 3s. Okay. 4 2s are 8, 24. Okay. Now 8 3s are plus 2s plus 1. 1 by R. So 1 by R equals to 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6 by 24. R equals to 4. Okay. It's like, so 1 by R equals to 1 by 4. It means that R equals to 4. Okay. Now, we have to find A, B, C. Okay. So, we know that delta equals to R into, delta square equals to R into R1 into R2 into R3. Okay. Because by knowing this, we can find S. By finding delta, we can find S. That's why we are finding this. So, now R4, 8. R1 is 8, R2 is 12, R3 is 24. Now, again delta square. So, again writing this in the form 4 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 4 into 2 into 3. Okay, now 4 square, 4 square, 2 square into 3 square. So, delta square equals to, it means that delta equals to root of all this, right? Now, how it can be written? 4 into 4 into 2 into 3 whole square. Square and root cancel. This is just for simplifying the complexity we did this. And 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 6, 96. Delta equals to 96. This is what we got. Okay. So, now delta equals to 96. And from relation R equals to delta by S. What is R? We got R as 4, right? So now 4 equals to 96 by S. 4 1s, 4 2s, 24. So S equals to 24. Okay. So now del R1 equals to delta by S minus A. So why we are taking R1 equals delta by S minus A? Because in this formula we have A. So we can find A. We know R1, delta and S. And it will be easy to find A. That's the reason we are taking this formula. And what is R1? It is given that R1 equals to 8. So 8 equals to 96 by 24 minus A. 8 ones are 2. So 24 minus A equals to 12. A equals to 12. Okay. Now next. In the formula of R2 we have B. So we are taking R2. Now what is R2? 12. Delta 96 by 24 minus B. 2 ones, 2 8s are. Now 24 minus B equals to 8 implies 16 equals to B. Okay. Now C. We have C in R3 formula. Now delta is 96, SC is 24 minus C and R3 is 24. 24 ones, 24 fours. Implies 24 minus C equals to 4. C equals to 20. Just transposing 4 to this side and C to that side. C equals to 20. So we found the values of A, B, C. Complete. So the next question is, if delta ABC in triangle ABC, if R1 equals to 2, R2 equals to 3, R3 equals to 6 and R equals to 1, then prove that A equals to 3, B equals to 4, C equals to 5. Okay, so the given values are R1 equals to 2, R2 equals to 3, and R3 equals to 6, and R equals to 1. Okay, so we have to find the value, prove that A equals to 3, B equals to 4, and C equals to 5, right? So we have A, B, C in the formulas of R1, R2 and R3. So from there we can find the values of A, B, C, and we can confirm whether these are equals to 3, 4, 5 or not. Okay, so first in the formula of R1, R2 and R3 we also have delta and S, but we don't have the values of delta and S. So from this we can find delta, because in the formula of R we have delta by S, and here it is equals to delta by S. Then delta equals to S. Okay, and we also know a formula, delta square equals to R1 R into R1 into R2 into R3. We use this formula in first and second problem. So now R, what is the value of R? 1 into 2 into 3 into 6 delta square. So delta equals to 6 into 6 means delta square equals to 36. Delta equals to 6. Now this is equals to S, because from this condition delta and S are equal and it is equals to 6. Now we know R1 equals to delta by S minus A. So what is R1? It is given R1 equals to 2. Now 2 equals to, what is delta? 6. What is S? Equals to delta. So 6 minus A. Now 1's 3's implies 6 minus A, transposing 6 minus A to that side, equals to 3. 6 minus 3 equals to A. A equals to 3. Okay. So the now next is R2 equals to delta by S minus B. What is R2? R2 is given as 3. So 3 equals to delta. Delta is 6. S is 6 minus B. 1's 2's. Now 6 minus B equals to 2. So 6 minus 2 equals to B and B equals to 4. Now R3. R3 is delta by S minus C. What is R3? R3 is 6 by 6 minus C. 1's. So 6 minus C equals to 1. 6 minus 1 equals to C. C equals to 5. Okay. Now we got A equals to 3, B equals to 4 and C equals to 5. Hence proved. So the problem is completed. So the next question is, in triangle ABC, show that R1 by BC plus R2 by CA plus R3 by AB equals to 1 by R minus 1 by 2R. Okay, so first considering the LHS. R1 by BC plus R2 by CA plus R3 by AB. So let's do one thing. Divide the numerator and denominator with A. Multiplying numerator with A and dividing it with A. So it will become again the same thing. Here let's do it as B. A, B, C. Because just we are equaling these denominators. To do that we are here multiplying with A, here with B, here with C. That's it. Now C R3, A, B, C. Okay. Now it can be written as AR1 plus BR2 plus CR3. So it's just making the denominators equal. That's it. ABC. Now 1 by ABC, let's write this as sigma of AR1. Because when we expand the sigma, we will get the same thing. In the place of A, B. In the place of R1, R2. Next, in the place of B, we will get C, R3. That's why we wrote that. So 1 by ABC. Now we know the formula of A as from the sine rule. A equals to 2R sine A. And the formula of R1 in terms of tan is S tan A by 2. Okay. Now 1 by ABC. 2R can be taken out of the sigma. 2R. Now sine A. Writing S in the front. S sine A tan A by 2. So you know the formula of sine 2A. In the previous video also we did problems related to sine 2A transformations. So what is the formula of sine 2A? 2 sine A cos A. Right? Now what is the formula of sine A? 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2. Just dividing the angle by 2. Now 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2. Now 2R ABC sigma S into replacing sin A with 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, and you know that tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So here sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Here cos A by 2 cos A by 2 gets cancelled and 2 can be taken outside. 2 into 2 4 are ABC. S can also be taken outside into S sigma. Now sin A by 2 into sin A by 2. So sin square A by 2. Now S ABC, just taking this to the denominator, because it can also, when we take it again to the numerator, it becomes same. That's why. Now sin square A by 2. So ABC by 4R means delta, right? S by delta. And you know that sin square A by 2 can be written as from the formula of cos 2A. Writing it here. Cos 2A equals to, in terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square A. Now it is sin square A by 2. So cos A equals to, dividing the angle with 2, 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Now transposing 2 sin square A by 2 to this side and transposing cos A to RHS, 1 minus cos A. Now what is sin square A by 2? 1 minus cos A by 2, right? Okay. Now for sin square B by 2, it is 1 minus cos B by 2, and sin square C by 2, 1 minus cos C by 2. So first removing the sigma. So when we remove sigma, we will get sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2. Okay. So now S by delta, what is sin square A by 2? 1 minus cos A by 2. What is sin square B by 2? 1 minus cos B by 2. And what is sin square C by 2? 1 minus cos C by 2. Okay. So now S by delta. Now we can write separate 1 by 2 for every term. 1 by 2 minus cos A by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos B by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos C by 2. Okay. So now S by delta into 1 by 2 minus cos A by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos B by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos C by 2. Now what we are doing is adding 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3. As denominators are same, numerators can be directly added. 3 by 2 minus, taking 1 by 2 as common from cos A by 2, cos B by 2 and cos C by 2, minus 1 by 2. So now it becomes cos A plus cos B plus cos C. Okay. So now S by delta, you know R equals to delta by S. So what is S by delta? It is 1 by R. So when you reciprocal it, this will also become reciprocal. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. It is given that it is triangle. So we know that in triangle A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees, right? Now cos A plus cos B plus cos C. So here cos A plus cos B, it is in the form of cos C plus cos D. What is the formula of cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, right? So now 1 by R, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here in the place of C we have A and in the place of D we have B. 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus cos C. Now 1 by R, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. A plus B by 2. From this condition, A plus B equals to 180 minus C and dividing with 2. So what it becomes? 90 minus C by 2, right? Just splitting 2 to 180 and also C. 90 minus C by 2. Now 2 cos 90 minus C by 2. Cos A minus B by 2 plus cos C. 1 by R, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 of 2 cos 90 minus C by 2. 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. It lies in the first quadrant. So all are positive in first quadrant. Just the function changes. It changes to sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus cos C. Okay. Now here we have it in terms of sine. So we should write the formula of cos c in terms of sine. So what is the formula of cos c? First writing the formula of cos 2c. What it is? 1 minus 2 sine square c. So if it is cos c, then dividing by 2, dividing by 2. Cos c equals to 1 minus 2. You should divide only the angle, okay? Sine square c by 2. Now 1 by r, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 sine c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus 1 minus 2 sine square c by 2. Now 1 by r, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Taking 2 sine c by 2 common from here and here. So cos a minus b by 2 minus sine c by 2. Okay. Now here we wrote a plus b by 2 equals to 90 minus c by 2. Then what is c? 90 minus a plus b by 2. You can also write it from this condition. C equals to 180 minus a plus b, and c by 2 equals to 90 minus a plus b by 2. 180 by 2 minus a plus b by 2. 180 by 2 is 90. Now 1 by r, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 sine c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus sine of 90 minus a plus b by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2 sine c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus sine of 90 minus theta. It is cos theta, right? So cos a plus b by 2 plus 1. Written the same step here. So now 1 by r, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 into sine c by 2 cos a minus, here cos a, okay, let's write it again. A by 2 minus b by 2 minus cos a by 2 plus b by 2. Just written separately, a by 2 plus b by 2 plus 1. Now 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 sine c by 2. Now cos a, let's consider a by 2 as a and b by 2 as b. Now a by 2 as a and b by 2 as b. So what is the formula of cos a minus b minus cos a plus b? It is nothing but 2 sine a sine b, right? So what we have in the place of a by 2. So 2 sine a by 2 sine b by 2. Now plus 1, okay? 1 by r, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 sine, okay. Now multiplying this, 4 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2, right? Plus 1. Now 1 by r, 3 by 2 multiplying minus 1 by 2 to this whole, 4 by 2 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2 minus into plus 1, minus 1 by 2. Sorry, minus 1 by 2 into plus 1, minus 1 by 2. Okay, now 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. What is 3 by 2 minus 1? 3 minus 1 by 2. 2 by 2, 1 minus 2. 2 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2. Okay, now multiplying this, 1 by r minus 2 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2 by r. Now multiplying and dividing this with 2r. 2r into 2 sine a by 2, 2 sine b by 2, sine c by 2. We are multiplying it as well as dividing it. Multiply and dividing. So it will become the same thing. Now 1 by r, 4r sine a by 2, sine b by 2, sine c by 2 by r into 2r. 1 by r, what is 4r sine a by 2, sine b by 2, sine c by 2? It is r, small r. Now r into 2r, small r and capital R can be cancelled. 1 by r minus 1 by 2r. So you should know this, to multiply and divide with 2r. Then only we will get to prove what we are asked to prove. So problem is completed. So the next question is, in triangle ABC show that R plus R3 plus R1 minus R2 equals to 4R cos B. Okay. So we have formulas of R, R3, R1 and R2 in terms of 4R cos A cos B in that way. So first formula of R, it is 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2, which we used in the fourth problem. R3 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. R1 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. R2 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Okay. So now putting all these values here, equals to 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 minus 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Now from this and this, taking 4R sin C by 2 as common. So 4R sin C by 2 common. Now what is left? Sin A by 2 sin B by 2 plus cos A by 2 cos B by 2 plus from here taking 4R cos C by 2 as common. 4R cos C by 2 sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos A by 2, from here sin B by 2. Now 4R sin C by 2. Here it is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Here in the place of A and B we have A by 2 and B by 2. So what is the formula of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B? Cos of A minus B, right? Plus 4R cos C by 2. It is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So what is the formula of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B? Sin A minus B by 2. Okay. So now 4R here, these both, after completion of that, sin A by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus 4R cos C by 2 sin A minus B by 2. So this is triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Now C equals to 180 minus of A plus B. So what is C by 2? 90 minus just 180 by 2 minus A plus B by 2. So 180 by 2 is 90 and A plus B by 2 is A plus B by 2. Now replacing C by 2 with 90 minus A plus B by 2. Now 4R sin C by 2 means sin of 90 minus A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2 plus 4R, here also replacing C by 2 with 90 minus A plus B by 2, cos 90 minus A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Now 4R sin 90 minus theta cos theta. In the place of theta we have A plus B cos A minus B by 2. Now plus 4R. What is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta into sin A minus B by 2. Now what should we do is, taking 4R common from both these, 4R of cos, writing A plus B by 2 as separately A by 2 plus B by 2 cos A by 2 minus B by 2 plus 4R was taken common. So now sin A by 2 plus B by 2 sin A by 2 minus B by 2. Written the same step here. So now 4R cos A by 2 plus B by 2 cos. So it is in the form of cos a plus b into cos a minus b plus sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So what is the formula of cos a plus b into cos a minus b and sin a plus b into sin a minus b? It is cos a plus a by 2 b by 2. Sorry, it is in the form of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So what is a here? This whole term is a and here it is whole is b. A and b. So what is the formula of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b? It is cos of a plus b. It is cos a minus b. Okay. Now what is a? A plus b by 2 plus minus b. What is b? A by 2 minus b by 2. No. 4r cos a by 2 plus b by 2 minus a by 2, multiplying the minus plus b by 2. No, this is cancelled. So 4r cos b by 2 plus b by 2. 2 into b by 2 means 2 to cancel. It is 4r cos b. This is we are asked to prove. It is RHS, hence proved. So the next question is, prove that r plus r1 plus r2 minus r3 equals to 4r cos c. Okay. So we wrote the formulas of r, r1, r2 and r3 in the first problem. So I am not writing it separately. We will go to the problem directly. 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 plus 4r sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2 plus 4r cos a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2. 4r cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay. Now from both these taking 4r sin a by 2 common and from both these taking 4r cos a by 2 as common. Okay. So 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 plus cos b by 2 cos c by 2 plus 4r cos a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2 minus cos b by 2 sin c by 2. From here 4r sin a by 2 common. So what we are left with sin b by 2 sin c by 2 plus cos b by 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2 plus 4r cos c by a by 2 was taken common, sin b by 2 cos c by 2 minus cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay. So now it is in the form of sin a sin b plus cos a cos b. So what is the formula of this? Like cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This is equals to cos of a minus b. Okay. So this is, what is a and b here? B by 2 and c by 2. Cos b by 2 minus c by 2 plus 4r cos a by 2. Here sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is sin of a minus b, means b by 2 minus c by 2. Okay. Now taking 4r sin 4r as common. Now sin a by 2 cos of b minus c by 2 plus cos a by 2 sin b minus c by 2. Okay. Now a plus b plus c equals to 180. It is because it is a triangle. So a equals to 180 minus b plus c. What is a by 2 then? 90 minus b plus c by 2. Now, so replacing a by 2 here and here with 90 minus b plus c by 2. Sin 90 minus b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2 plus cos 90 minus b plus c by 2 sin b minus c by 2. Okay. So what is sin 90 minus theta? It is cos theta. Cos b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2 plus sin b plus c by 2 sin b minus c by 2 Now 4 are cos. It is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So what is A here? B plus C by 2. What is B? B minus C by 2. Now what is formula of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B? It is cos of A minus B. What is A? B plus C by 2. What is B? B minus C by 2. Now 4 are cos B by 2 plus C by 2 minus B by 2 plus C by 2. So minus B by 2 plus C by 2 cancel. 4 are cos C by 2 plus C by 2. It is C. Hence proved. So the next question is R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R equals to 4R. We have to prove this. Okay. So what is R1? 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 plus 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2 minus 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So 4R, taking 4R cos C by 2 as common, sin A by 2 cos B by 2 plus cos A by 2 sin B by 2. No, 4R, taking sin C by 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 minus sin A by 2 sin B by 2. Now 4R cos C by 2 sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B. So in the place of A we have A by 2, in the place of B we have B by 2 plus 4R sin B by 2. Now cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos A plus B. Taking 4R common from both these, cos C by 2 sin A plus B by 2 plus sin C by 2 cos A plus B by 2. Now it is in the form cos A plus sin cos A into sin B plus sin A into cos B. So what is the formula? Sin of A plus B, it's like sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So what is the formula of that? Sin of A plus B, right? In the place of A we have A plus B by 2, in the place of B we have C. So now C by 2, in the place of A we have A plus B by 2, in the place of B we have C by 2. Now 4R sin A plus B plus C by 2. No, 4R sin A plus B plus C is 180 because it is a triangle. Now 180 by 2. 2 ones are 290s. Now sin 90 value is 1. So 4R into 1 equals to 4R equals to RHS. Hence proved. So the next question is, show that AB minus R1 R2 by R3 equals to BC minus R2 into R3 by R1 equals to AC minus R1 R3 into R1 by R2. Okay, first taking AB minus R1 into R2 by R3. AB minus R1 R2 by R3. Now from sign rule we know that A equals to 2R sin A, B equals to 2R sin B. Okay, now so 2R sin A into 2R sin B minus R1 R2 by R3 equals to 4R square sin A sin B minus R1. What is the formula of R1? 4R sin A by 2 sin cos B by 2 cos C by 2 into 4R R2 formula cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2 by R3. What is the formula of R3? 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Okay. Now from denominator and numerator, okay, first let's make this some simple. Sin b minus 4r, 4 into 4 16r square cos square c by 2. Now sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin b by 2 by 4r cos a by 2 cos b by 2 and sin c by 2. Now 4r square sin a sin b. From this sin a into cos a by 2. So if we have 2 here, 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, it will become sin a by the formula sin 2a equals to 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a cos a. So what is sin a then? 2 sin a is 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So here writing 4r square cos square 6 by 2, and we have one more 4 from here. So writing that 4 as 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 and 2 sin 2 cos b by 2 sin b by 2. By in denominator we have 4r cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Now 4r square sin a sin b minus 4r square cos square c by 2. What is 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2? From here it is sin a, right? And here it is sin b by 4r cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Now from here we can take 4r square sin a by 2 common. 4r square sin a sin b. 4r square sin a sin b can be taken common, and it is 1 minus cos square c by 2 by 4r cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Now 4 get cancel, r and r. Now r sin a sin b. So what is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta, right? Sin square c by 2. Now cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Sin c by 2 and sin c by 2 gets cancelled. Now so here sin c by 2 and here it's cancelled. Now r. What is the formula of sin a? From here sin a equals to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2 into sin c by 2, right? Now cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. Cos a by 2 cos a by 2 cancel, cos b by 2 cos b by 2 cancel. Now 2 into 2 4. 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Now 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 is the formula of r. So it is equals to r. In the same way we can get bc minus r2 by r3 by r1 equals to r, but yeah, let's do this. Now what is b? 2r sin b. What is c? 2r sin c. What is r2? 4r cos a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2 into 4r cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2 by 4r sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2 equals to 4r square sin b sin c minus 4r cos a by 2 cos a by 2 cos square a by 2. We have one more 4r. Let's write 4r into r, 4r square. We have 4 here. Let's write it in the form 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2 into one more 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Now 4r sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Now 4r square sin b sin c minus 4r square sin cos square a by 2 What is 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2? Sin b, sin c. From the here we did this, here also sin 2a by 2, 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Same like that, 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2 means sin b, and here sin c. 4r sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Now 4r square sin b sin c can be taken common, 1 minus cos square a by 2. Now 4r square sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Now 4r square sin b can be written as 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2, right? Sin c can be written as 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. What is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. So sin square a by 2. Here by 4r square sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. So now 4r square gets cancelled. Sin a by 2 here, and cos b by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2 cos c by 2. So what we are left with? 2 into 2, 4 sin a by 2 and sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Do we have any r here? Sorry, here we have only 4r. So only r can be cancelled and we will have one more r here. So now this is equals to r. From 1 and 2 we got ab minus r1 plus r2 as r, and here also we got 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 as r. So we will, in the same way we will get under ac minus r3 into r1 by r2 as also r. So from all these conditions this is equal. So hence proved. So the next question is, if P1, P2, P3 are the altitudes drawn from vertices ABC to the opposite sides of a triangle respectively, then show that 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 equals to 1 by R. Okay. So it is given that P1, P2 are the altitudes of a triangle ABC. So the triangle is ABC like this, A, B, C. Opposite vertices are A, B, C. And altitudes are drawn in this way. This is P1, this is P2, this is P3. Okay. So now what is the area of triangle? The formula of area of triangle is half into base into height, right? So now we have here, we can write it in three forms. First, let's consider this as base. Then what is height? P1. And another delta can be, let's consider this as base. Now what is B here? Base is B. And what is height? P2. And let's consider this as base. Then what is base? C is base. Now P3, height is P3. So now from this what P1 can be written as 2 delta equals to A P1. So P1 equals to 2 delta by A. Now 2 delta by B, 2 delta by C equals to P3. First transposing 2 to this side and then it becomes denominator. Now we have to prove 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 as 1 by R. Now 1 by P1. What is 1 by P1? Writing the reciprocals on both sides. Now A by 2 delta. What is P2? B by 2 delta. What is 1 by P3? What is 1 by P3? C by 2 delta. Right? And now substituting in this. A by 2 delta, considering LHS, plus B by 2 delta by C by 2 delta equals to A plus B plus C by 2 delta. Now what is A plus B plus C? That is 2S, right? 2 delta. It is a perimeter. 2S equals to A plus B plus C. Like SC equals to A plus B plus C by 2. I think you are aware of these formulas. So 2S by 2 delta. Now it is S by delta. What is the formula of R in general? Delta by S. So what is S by delta? It is 1 by R. So now what we got? 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 as 1 by R. 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 equals to 1 by r. Hence proved. The first condition was proved. So the second condition that we have to prove is P1, P2, P3 equals to ABC whole square by 8r cube equals to 8 delta cube by ABC. So what is P1? What we got P1 as, it is 2 delta by A, and what is P2? It is 2 delta by B, and what is P3? 2 delta by C. Okay. Now substituting the values of P1, P2, P3. P1 into P2 into P3 equals to 2 delta by A into 2 delta by B into 2 delta by C. Now multiplying all the three, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, delta into delta into delta, delta cube by ABC. So we proved one thing. Now we have to prove this also. So you know the formula of delta. Delta equals to ABC by 4r, right? Now ABC by 4r whole cube by ABC equals to 8 into, now ABC and here one cube means ABC square by 4r whole cube. Here write this cube separately for ABC and cube. Now here ABC and 1, ABC will be cancelled. So we will have ABC square. Now 4r whole cube. What is the form? How can we write 4r whole cube as 4r into 4r into 4r? Right? 4 ones, 4 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos. Now ABC square 2 into 4, 8. 8r square. 8r, sorry, r into r, 8 cube. Because r cannot be cancelled. Only we cancelled 4 and 4. We got this. Hence, the next question is 1 by P1 square plus 1 by P2 square plus 1 by P3 square equals to cot A plus cot B plus cot C by delta. So we have to prove this is equals to this. And so what is P1? 2 delta by A. What is P2? 2 delta by B. What is P3? 2 delta by C from the last problem. So now P1 square. So first writing the reciprocals. No, let's write first P1 square. 4 delta square by A square, right? Square 4 delta square by A square. Now P2 square. 4 delta square by B square. What is P3 square? 4 delta square by C square. Now 1 by P1 square plus 1 by P2 square plus 1 by P3 square. Mean that it becomes reciprocal. So A square by 4 delta square plus B square by 4 delta square plus C square by 4 delta square equals to A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta square. Now it is actually you can write it directly like equals to 4 delta by 1 by delta. This is cot A plus cot B plus cot C by delta. You can directly write this cot A plus cot B plus cot C by delta. Actually it is the direct formula of cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Okay, let's prove how cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equals to A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. Cot A. But in the exam you can also write directly. It's not a problem. So first, what is cot A can be written as cos A by sin A, right? Plus cos B plus sin B. Cos A by sin B. So from cosine rule, what is the formula of cos A? It is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. What is the formula of sin A from sine rule? A by 2R. 2 can be cancelled. Same. A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC, B by 2R. C square plus A square, sorry, B square plus A square minus C square by 2AB by C by 2R. Okay. So here also 2 and 2 can be cancelled, 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Now, R can be taken to the numerator. R, B square plus C square minus A square. Here it goes to the denominator, ABC. Plus R goes to a numerator, A square plus C square minus B square by ABC. Plus R, B square plus A square minus C square, ABC. Okay. Now from all this, R can be taken common. So B square plus C square minus A square, ABC can also be taken common in the denominator. Plus A square plus C square minus B square b square plus a square minus c square. Okay, now a square, this side cancel. Now b minus b square cancel, c square here. So r by abc, a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so now dividing here, multiplying and dividing with 4, so it's like 1 by 4. What is the formula of delta? ABC by 4r, right? So here it is 1 by delta equals to 4r by ABC, right? 1 by delta equals to 4r by ABC. Now it means that a square plus b square plus c square by delta. So here we got this a square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta, a square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta. That's why we replaced a square plus b square plus c square by 4 delta with cot a plus cot b plus cot c. But we will have one more delta here, so that we can write separate and then by delta. That's what we are asked to prove. So the next question is, show that sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 plus sin square c by 2 equals to 1 minus r by 2r. Okay. So now first, sin square a by 2. What is sin square a by 2? From the formula of cos 2a, it can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square a, and sin square a by 2. So dividing the angle with 2, 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. Now 2 sin square a by 2 transposing to LHS, 1 minus cos a, and transposing 2 to this side, sin square a by 2 equals to 1 minus cos a by 2. Okay. Now what is sin square b by 2 then? 1 minus cos b by 2. What is sin square c by 2? 1 minus cos c by 2. That's it. So 1 minus cos a by 2, replacing all these with these type of formulas, plus 1 minus cos b by 2, 1 minus cos c by 2. Now taking 1 by 2 common from all of this, so 1 minus cos a plus 1 minus cos b. We can also write it as separately as we did in the last problems, like 1 by 2 minus cos a by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus cos b by 2 plus say we will get the same thing. Now 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 minus cos a minus cos b minus cos c. 1 by 2 of 3 minus cos a plus cos b plus cos c. So now it is in the form of cos c plus cos d. 1 by 2, 3 minus cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So here we have a and b, right? Plus cos c. This is triangle. So a plus b plus c equals to 180. A plus b equals to 180 minus c. Then what is a plus b by 2? 90 minus c by 2, right? 1 by 2, 3 minus 2, here cos 90 minus c by 2, cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c. 1 by 2, 3 minus 2 sin c by 2, cos a minus b by 2. So here we have it in the terms of sine, so we should write cos c formula in terms of sine. What is that? 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. 1 by 2, 3 minus 2 sin c by 2 taking common, cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2 plus 1. So now 1 by 2, 3 minus 2 sin c by 2. So from here we got a plus b by 2 equals to 90 minus c by 2. Then what is c? It is 90 minus a plus b by 2. Okay. It is sine of 90 minus a plus b by 2 plus 1. It's like c. C equals to 180 minus a plus b. Dividing by 2 again. So same we will get 90 minus a plus b by 2. 180 by 2 minus a plus b by 2. 1 by 2. 3 minus 2 sin c by 2. Cos a minus b by 2. What is sin 90 minus theta? It is cos theta. So what is theta here? A plus b by 2. So theta plus 1. Now 1 by 2, 3 minus 2 sin c by 2. Now it is in the form of cos a by 2 minus b by 2 minus cos a by 2 plus b by 2. So what is a here? A by 2. And what is b? B by 2. Cos a minus cos b minus cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. What is the formula? 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2. In the form of a and b we have a by 2 and b by 2. Okay. Now 1 by 2, 3 minus 2 sin c by 2, 2 sin a by 2, 2 sin b by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2, 3 minus, no, 4 sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2. So here it is 3 plus 1. Is this right? So sorry. It should be minus because we did a mistake here. 2 sin c by 2. Here we have whole. So here also it should be like this. So now here minus is for whole. Minus 2 sin c by 2 into sin b by 2 plus 1. So when we multiply minus 2 sin c by 2, 2 sin a by 2, sin b by 2 minus 1. When we multiply the minus. So here it should be minus. Okay. 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4 sin a by 2, b by 2, sin c by 2. Now just multiplying 1 by 2 with all. 2 by 2 minus 4 by 2 sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. Now 2's 1's. 1 minus 2 sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. After this, we are asked to prove that it is equals to 1 minus 2r by 2r, right? So what should we do is, we should convert this numerator to get it into r, small r. How can we get? Dividing and multiplying by 2 r, capital R. Sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. So here we'll multiply the numerator with 2r, right? So we have to divide it again. Then only it will become the same thing. Now 1 minus 4r sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2 by 2r. Now what is 4r sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2? It is smaller. 2r. Hence proved. This is equals to RHS and hence proved. So the next question is, show that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 equals to 2 plus r by 2r. So LHS cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Now from the formula cos to a, it is 2 cos square a minus 1 because we want cos square a by 2. So now cos a, dividing the angle with 2, 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. What is 2 cos square a? Cos a plus 1 equals to 2 cos square a by 2. Then what is cos square a by 2? Cos a plus 1 by 2 equals to cos square a by 2. In the same way, cos square b by 2 equals to cos b plus 1 by 2. Cos square c by 2 equals to cos c plus 1 by 2. Now, cos a plus 1 by 2 plus cos b plus 1 by 2 plus cos c plus 1 by 2. Now, taking 1 by 2 common from all these, 1 by 2 of cos a plus 1 plus cos b plus 1 plus cos c plus 1. Now 1 by 2 of 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus cos a plus cos b plus cos c. 1 by 2, 3 plus 2 cos a plus cos b, 2 cos a plus b by 2, cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c. We know that a plus b plus c equals to 180. Why is this? Because it is a triangle. In a triangle, sum of the angles is 180. So a plus b equals to 180 minus c. What is a plus b by 2? Just dividing two sides with 2, we will get 180 by 2 minus c by 2 means 90 minus c by 2, right? 90 minus c by 2. Now 1 by 2, 3 plus 2 cos 90 minus c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c. So here we will get sin c by 2. So we should write it in the form of sin itself. You should understand it here itself. By doing all the problems you can understand that automatically. 2 cos 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus, here we have sin, so it should be written in terms of sin 1 by 2 plus 2 sin c by 2, taking 2 sin c by 2 as common, cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. Actually these all are similar to the problems of transformations in trigonometry, which are important for 7 marks. But here we just have r and small r, capital R extra. After doing all this process again, we have to add that. We have to do something to get them. Again multiplying with 2r or like that. So here 2 sin c by 2 we took common, cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2 sin here, okay, plus 1. Okay, so in the last problem what did we do? Here actually we have minus, but we forgotten to keep bracket here. That's why first we got 3 plus 1, but it's not. So again we did it as see the bracket and do carefully. If it is plus it will not be a problem, but if it is minus you must and should keep brackets, otherwise the whole problem will be changed. Plus 2 sin c by 2. Now cos a minus b by 2 minus, here we got a plus b by 2 equals to 180 minus c by 2, means 90 minus c by 2. Then what is c? C can be 90 minus a plus b by 2. In the same way, a plus b by 2, 90 minus c by 2. C by 2 equals to 90 minus a plus b by 2. Sin 90 minus a plus b by 2 plus 1. Now 1 by 2, 3 plus 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus sin 90 minus theta cos a plus b by 2 plus 1. The same step was again here. So 1 by 2, 3 plus 2 sin c by 2. Now it is in the form of cos. Let me write it completely separately. A by 2 plus b by 2 plus 1. So here it is like a cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. A is a by 2 and b is b by 2. 1 by 2. So what is the formula of that? 2 sin a means a by 2. Sin b by 2. 1 by 2, 3 plus multiplying the whole 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 plus 1. Now 1 by 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 c by 2. Now dividing with means multiplying 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 4 by 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So here up to here this is same as the problems in transformations, but here in properties of triangle we have small r and capital R as extra. So 2 into multiplying and dividing with 2r sin c by 2 by 2r. 2 plus here 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 2r. Now 2 plus what is the formula of this? Small r by 2r. So we got RHS, hence proved. So this is for now. Please join our Telegram channel because we have uploaded the notes of all the Telugu Academy book, means NCERT textbook, and you also have important questions there. It will be very beneficial for all of you. So please consider joining the Telegram channel and like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel also. Next video will be most probably on pair of straight lines after completion of